up fairly early in the morning, and this morning I looked, and to my consternation I saw a little bird. A little bird had got through, and I'd noticed that each morning a couple of my Roma tomatoes were being nibbled, just like that. And there is the culprit, and you saw she nearly got through the entry. There he is. She's out. No, that's how she's getting in. And I don't want to hurt her, but I certainly want her to get out so I can close that hole. I think if I open the door, then she might flow out of the door. But at last I found where the culprit is and how she's getting. Oh, there she is. She's hiding in there. She's very frightened now. There she goes. Whoops. Now let me go and open the door. I'm going to open the door. There's the door, bird. There's the door, bird. Now, bird, out you go. Come on, out. There you go. Out you go. No, man, go down. Go down, bird. No, bird, you missed that. Don't go back there to your entrance. You need to go back. Go. Go on. Let me see if I can chase her. Where's she going? Where's she going? Please. I hope so. No, she hasn't. Out there. There's the door. There's the door. Hey, bird. There's a door. Out. There's another hole. Go down. Down. There's a door just under you. Is a door. Please go. Under you is the... she got out. Yay. Bye-bye, bird. Thank heavens for that. Well, I guess I'll have to close that opening. Thank heavens. The little bird got free. But I'm going to close up all the holes. She's not going to get to any more food. That was what she did this morning. She has been doing the same for a little bit of time. Luckily, I found this hole, which is now going to be closed, and it'll be birdie. You'll have to look in from the outside. Yes, cross street.